What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Destination Delicious. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy.
And last year when we were in Utah, we found an amazing ice cream shop called Far Better Ice Cream. And it's a historical ice cream shop in northern Utah that everybody who's local here told us that we had to go to while we were visiting.
And as we do normally, we listened to the locals and we tried it, and it was spectacular.
Absolutely. And if you've seen our videos, you saw that we made some amazing chocolate chip cookie ice cream sandwiches.
Right there on the griddle.
Right here on the Blackstone. So this year we are sort of running it back, but we're twisting it up. And today we are making Andes Mint Brownie Sundaes.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
You can't have brownie sundaes without brownies. So the first thing that we need to do is mix up our brownie batter so that we can get that on the griddle. Nothing too fancy, folks, just Betty Crocker brownie mix. We've got our water, we've got our oil, and we've got our eggs. Now for the mixing. Nice thick batter. Now that we've got our batter made, it's time to get it on the griddle, but first I gotta prep everything. So I'm gonna put some butter on the surface so that the brownies release easy, but I'm also going to put some butter on the inside of each of our Blackstone silicone molds here. And get some butter on the inside. Whoop, whoop, almost lost it.
Got some lengthy butter there.
Oh boy, got it, saved it. What we've learned through trial and error is that the secret to baking on the Blackstone is that you want to get your griddle nice and heated up on low, and then as soon as you put your batter down or whatever it is, turn it off. And because these are Andes Mint brownies, we are going to drop in a few Andes Mints, bake them right in. Going to use our Blackstone dome. Kaboom. All right, it's been about 10 minutes since our brownies have been quote unquote baking. And they're looking pretty good. Let's see how our butter trick did. Oh, that was pretty awesome.
Look at that.
All right, here we go. Little brownie cakes. All right, now that we have them flipped, I'm going to turn the griddle back on to low and let them finish baking for a few more minutes. All right, I do believe our brownies are ready. We're going to stack them on our plate here. And I was lucky enough to find some of Far Better's ice cream because it is Far Better. We're just gonna throw that right there on top. Got some Hershey's chocolate syrup. Just gonna drizzle. Whoa! That has been sitting in the sun for a little bit, so it's a little liquidy. And we've got some
garnish.
We chopped up some of the Andes mints. All right, I am ready for some chocolatey, minty goodness. Minty
Apparently,
chocolatey goodness.
so is the little one here.
Yeah. Somebody shows up, a treat show up.
Oh my gosh,
Oh,
this looks amazing.
Don't steal mine.
Wow.
That's insane.
Told you. Oh my gosh. If you were wondering if you can bake on the griddle,
The answer is yes.
yes, yes, and more yes. Wow, this is good. There's not enough ice cream on here. We're gonna need some more ice cream. Thank you so much for tuning in. We always appreciate you watching.
Make sure you visit blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and ring the bell on the YouTube channel so that you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks on the channel.
Like Betty, Bruce, Nate, CJ, Todd, Matt, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.